Oh wait, it's hot. Nope. The dollar store is totally like steps up their game every year, so like do not underestimate them whatsoever. Oh, okay. Hello guys. Hello. How's it going? Hey, hi. Hello. Special guest in the building today. He was here last time, so you might be familiar with him. But it's my fan. Give it up, everybody. We're glad to have you here. All right. It is fall, everybody. It's fall. It's September 1st. It's fall. Bring out the pumpkin spice. I don't even like pumpkin spice lattes, but you know, just bring out that basic fall stuff, all right? I love fall, and fall inspires me to shop. I shouldn't. I should save my money, but like, it's me. Why try and fight it when it's just who you are inside, okay? All right, everybody, so we have a fall haul. We have a lot of stuff to get through, so I cannot sit here today and ramble. So everybody grab your mug. We got fall decor, okay? We got fall decor. We have so much. So this is going to be a two-part video because I have so much. So the first video that I'm about to do right now is just going to be narrowed down to Dollar Tree, and then the next video is going to be miscellaneous items. So everybody click that subscribe button because like fall is my time. Fall, winter is my time. Like I come alive, okay? I come alive, all right? All right. First order of business is this hanger. This little pumpkin hanger, honestly to me, it does look kind of tacky to me. It does look pretty cheap to me, to be honest. But this is like a cute thing for like a classroom or like just a little door hanger. But I want to DIY this. If you like it the way it is, you can keep it the way it is. Oh, it does have glitter. The glitter does. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see that, but the glitter does come loose. So, is this? I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but it was just so cute. I'm like, I need it. Come on, don't play me. I need it. Literally, this is this cute little box. It said Fall Harvest on it, and look at the inside. The inside sold me, even though who's gonna see the inside? And then the lid says Fall Harvest on the inside as well. I don't know. I just love it. And what was really cute also is that they had four different size boxes. So this was like the medium size one. I think there was two bigger and one smaller than this box. I was just gonna get all four, but I'm like, what am I gonna do with all that? So again, I might DIY this, or I might just leave it as it is because it's so pretty. Like, all right, this little guy here is just a cute little thankful and blessed sign. It has a galvanized leaf and like a little straw bow. I actually quite like this, and I think that this is actually really nice. You could totally leave it like this. I think this is like a kind of really thin wood, so you could paint this as well. Oh yeah, they did have multiple colors of that pumpkin, and they had multiple colors of the door hanger as well. All right, next, if you guys watched my fall and Halloween haul last year, which you probably didn't, but I'm gonna link it because you need to go watch it, because most of that stuff is honestly still at the dollar store as well. But I brought these cute little cups right here. These wine glasses. Now they do have them in a champagne glass champagne glass version, and they do actually have them in orange and purple. I already have the orange and purple ones that I got from last year, and the gray was sold out. I actually got this for my best friend because we like to have like a little holiday theme, like sleepovers and stuff, and do like holiday activities. I mean, it is made out of plastic, but you can literally just wash it and it'd be perfectly fine. But they have this filler. I'm actually really happy that they have these fillers. I don't remember seeing these last year, and I'm hoping that they come out for some for Christmas as well, because I use a lot of these fillers in my Christmas crafts, especially my crafts that I do for the craft show. And this is a really cute color palette, the orange and the green. I love that. Yeah, and it has 110 pieces in it. There are a bunch of different sizes, and I just really hope that they come out with them for Christmas, because I get those types of fillers from Michael's, and I want to say they're like a good like $6 $6 or $7. I could be totally lying. The dollar store is totally like steps up their game every year, so like do not underestimate them whatsoever. Anyway, I got these two little pumpkins. These again are probably going to be for DIY. They are made out of wood. But one says pumpkin kisses and harvest wishes, and the other one says gather with grateful hearts. I like them both, and I like the white one. So if you have like a minimalistic or you do more of the white colored fall, this is really pretty for that. This one does have glitter and this one doesn't. So if you don't like glitter, then get the white one. Next, I got these little clips. They are just felt leaf clothespins. Like, I don't know what I would do with these, but I feel like it would be really cute if you have a Polaroid camera and you took like fall Polaroid pictures on your camera, like outside in the leaves, and then you took and printed them out and then like clipped them to like a piece of burlap with these little leaves. I don't know why, that's just so cute. I have a Polaroid too. I don't know where it is and I don't know if it works, but you know, if you want to be a cool hipster chick with all the pictures of her 1,535,000,000,000 friends. Next item is these clips. They are tiny little pumpkin clips. They do have like some glue hanging from them, but you could totally like peel that off. Get out, get out. Anyway, these are little pumpkin clips. You could totally take these pumpkin clips and clip them onto stuff. They did have them in orange as well, but I just like the white. These are also good for wreaths if you want to make wreaths, or say you have a plain wreath but you want to make it fall, you could totally clip these on there. So they're super budget friendly as well, because you could take something that you've already used for the spring and just clip some of these pumpkins on it if it's just like a plain greenage or foliage or you have a plant. These are just some purple lights. I just got two of them. I like to put lights going across my dresser right here. This is a 5-foot set. It has 20 lights, so it's not very long, but I like to take these lights and just put them across my dresser right here. Okay, these fell out of the like package, so they're like all kind of crazy, but yeah, these are super simple. They're just DIY stickers. They're just wooden stickers with pumpkins and leaves, and they have little stickies on the back, and they're like crafting stickers basically. So I'll probably use these in my DIYs. You can paint them. These are nice too, because if you have like weird colors, or you like glitter, you like glam, or you like just whites and neutrals, you can paint these whatever color you need basically. Next is this adhesive diamond wrap. I don't know what adhesive diamond wrap is, and I don't know what you would like use this for. Maybe scrapbooking? I don't know, but I kind of had an idea to like, you could wrap this around like mason jars or even a vase. I feel like it's kind of tacky, but who doesn't love to be tacky? You know, everybody likes to be tacky here and there, like, let's be real. All right, I actually got these last year, but I wanted to get more. We actually put these on our table in the centerpiece, and it looks really pretty, but they are basically just little maple leaf lights. But they're just a 10 string of battery powered lights. Like I said, these are, ooh. Like I said, these are something that you can find at Michael's as well, but they're way more expensive. All right, we're winding down on the fall stuff. This is the majority of fall, but I do have a couple Halloween things. Okay, got this. It's considered ribbon, but to me it kind of just looks like a big mesh strip. Basically, these are really good for making wreaths, so I want to try and like maybe make a wreath or a door hanger out of this. We shall see. This is the same exact thing. It is just in more of a nude, like the mesh is nude, but the leaves are actually the same exact color. The last fall item that I got is this pumpkin. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? This came from the dollar store. Now, I don't really like this little stem. I was kind of thinking of like taking it off, maybe painting it white, or maybe adding glitter to it, but I love this. So it is velvet, but it's actually styrofoam on the inside, so it's not squishy. They only had one of this color, but I definitely would have got more. I think they had an olive green, I think they had an orange, I think they had a burgundy. But this turquoise color is like a really trendy color for the fall. Dollar. Couple Halloween things here. All right. First, black and purple. These are just, they're ornaments. So some people do like to do Halloween trees. I don't take it that far. I don't necessarily like Halloween decorations like that. I think they kind of look a little bit tacky, and I kind of like more of the like cuter Halloween decorations. But let me see if I can get these out. Here it is out of the box, if you can see. So some of the glitter did kind of come off of it a little bit, but I don't think that's really a big deal. You can honestly add more glitter to it if you wanted, but I got these in black. They do have a little string on them. The string actually just fell out of this one. Okay, the quality's not looking too great. Now they have these little guys. Look at these little guys. Basically, they're little ghost LED tea lights. Love them. Thinking about it, you probably won't even see them if you put them inside of something, but I don't care. They're cute, and I wanted them. They have little pumpkin ones as well, little jack-o'-lantern ones as well. Oh, I just got like some crafting glitter. They do have like good craft stuff. So I got crafting glitter, and I got glue sticks, and I also got these skull shot glasses. They kind of look a little funky, but you get the drift. You get the idea, like they're skulls. And you know, we're gonna take shots in these when we have our little Halloween with just me and her and nobody else. We like to party by ourselves because we don't have friends. I don't think I showed you these, but they do have Halloween lights as well. I believe they have little Frankensteins. I believe they have little ghosts. I think they have spiders. But I just got the purple bats. I like the purple. Okay, we're winding down here. Oh my god. Alright. Boom. These little guys. They have a set of 3. I actually got some of these from Dollar General, and they have a set of 3. Do not get the ones from Dollar General. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't get the ones from Dollar General. Get these because they're essentially the same thing, and you get 3 for $1. Dollar General, you get 1 for $1. Like some people like to do the little village. These are cute, but I actually have a different idea in mind for these. But you're gonna have to stick around because that video is gonna be ribbon. So I got this really cute little ribbon. As you know, the ribbon from the dollar store is like an inch long, so you might want to get multiples of a ribbon that you like if they have more than one, if you're trying to like make a consecutive wreath out of it, or you want to make a couple bows out of it. I would suggest get more than one. But then I got this burlap one, which is orange and black squiggly lines, and then this one is white with orange and black polka dots. The orange polka dots are glittery. Oh yeah, in case you guys are wondering, I am drinking Angry Orchard out of this because it's way too hot to actually be drinking anything else but beer or water. So yeah, there's so many sparkles in this, but I'm just gonna drink the sparkles. I feel like it'll be good for me. This is just black mesh. And then I did get some burlap leaves. Oh, this is not Halloween, but the burlap leaves are just really classy, I felt like. You get 5. I feel like it's a decent amount, but like, you know, just get a couple more if you need. The last thing is just these white mum chrysanthemums. They're like their fall foliage. But these I just really like. They're cute. They're just flowers. They're white. They have like a little bit of pink on the tips. I don't know. You probably cannot see that. So, alright guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. You hit a thumbs up. I'm literally here twice a week. What days? I don't know. Because my life has been in shambles. Let's be real. I'm going to be doing everything. I'm going to be doing everything. So, just make sure you subscribe. Because, like, I'm a good time. What can I say? I guess. Anyway, thank you so much. Love you all. See you in part 2. Remember, there's a part 2 where we're going to be doing the stuff that I got from other places besides the dollar store. Okay? Love you. Bye. Remember, breathe positivity into the universe and it will come back to you.